Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Lesson number 3, Useful Domestic Animals, Part 2. Children, before we go ahead with our Part 2, let's have a recap. Animals that are kept at home or farms are called domestic animals like hen, horse, sheep. Domestic animals give us many useful things like we get milk from cow, hen gives us eggs which is good for our health. Animals which gives us milk are called milk animals like cow, buffalo, goat. We can prepare different things from milk like curd and ice cream. Now let's see some more useful domestic animals. We get eggs from animals like duck, hen and geese. Some of us use eggs as a part of food. We get meat from hen, duck and goat. Sheep gives us meat and wool. We get meat and wool from sheep. Silkworm gives us silk. This is silkworm and its cocoon. Cocoon means it is a protective covering or silky covering around themselves. From this we get silk. As you know, we get wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. This wool and silk are used to make clothes. We make different woolen clothes from wool like sweater, gloves, scarf, etc. And we get silk clothes like sari, shirt, many more. Do you know? The Chinese discovered how to make silk thread about 5000 years ago. Here is a picture. Women making silk. And this is a old Chinese silk cloth. It is about 2000 years ago. We get leather from the skin of dead animals like cow, buffalo, camel. The skin of these animals is used as a leather after they are dead. Today's fact file: some animals like snake and crocodile are not domestic, but they are useful to us. How? The skin of these animals is used as a leather. We use leather to make purse, belt, shoes, and many other things. Let's have a recap what we have learned today. Domestic animals are useful in many ways, like we get eggs from duck, hen. We get meat from goat, sheep. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworm. We get leather from the skin of cow and camel. Thank you. In this lesson, you have learned how animals are useful to us. So, you should be always kind to animals.